2016 Scion IA. The IA has the energetic styling and sleek aerodynamics of a sedan you want to show up in. It comes with a lot of standard features with an impressive fuel economy. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, power windows, rear window defroster, trip computer, electronic stability control, brake assist, panic alarm, remote keyless entry, tachometer, driver vanity mirror, front bucket seats, tilt steering wheel, passenger vanity mirror, speed control, low tire pressure warning, 4-piece floor mat set, front wheel independent suspension. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.